ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have Shikha Modi and we have coach Jyoti Chaudhary. So we met Shikha, and that time she was having thyroid problem, which was 10 years old, and she was having gone in the feed, which is very painful, for 15 years. And there was a brain tumor. Right now she has no numbness, as she says, and varicose vein problem has been resolved. So more power to you. And she has lost almost how much kg? 6 or 7 kg something, right? Cool, that's amazing. Shikha, so please share your journey. How has been your journey? And what benefits you got?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. So when you always say na, ki when a student is ready, Guru appears, and same goes with me. When Jyoti and I were doing a CFN course together, and I met Jyoti there, and my journey to you started. And then thanks to universe, it connected me to you. And now my journey for naturopathy started from silver to gold, now to diamond. And every time, sir, you are a lotus of knowledge, and you are which unfolds its leaves step by step. And in every diet and everything which we are taking, you share us ki why should you take this. Matlab we don't have ki nahi bas lena hai. We are getting the knowledge ki why it should be taken. And sir, my thyroid was reversed, and when my corn was zero na, sir, I was really feeling like a child. मतलब मेरे को लग रहा था यहाँ उछलूं, यहाँ करूं, बिल्कुल मैं चल नहीं पाती थी इतने सालों से ना, मेरे पैर टेढ़ा पड़ रहा है, पैरों में दर्द है. आई वॉज लाइक अ चाइल्ड, मतलब कि बिल्कुल ऐसे एकदम फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. और फिर सर मतलब मैं रोना ही आ जाता है सर, वो कौन का वो सोच के ना सर, कितना दर्द था ना मेरे को, मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ सर. मतलब सबने का ऑपरेशन करा ले, ये करा ले, बट आई नहीं, ऑपरेशन नहीं कराना, क्योंकि वो वापस आते हैं, परेशान करते हैं, दोबारा से फिर करते हैं. और फिर ब्रेन ट्यूमर का सब डिटेक्ट हुआ, तो I was shaken, literally shaken. फिर लेकिन ठीक है, वो हुआ. लेकिन अब क्या है सर, आफ्टर डाइट ना उसके रिजल्ट्स मेरे को इतने मिले कि नमनेस नहीं है मेरी लेफ्ट साइड पे जो होती थी. उसके मतलब मेरे को परेशानी नहीं होती है ब्रेन ट्यूमर की, जो चीजें बीच बीच में आ जाती थी. MRI के लिए बोला सबने, बट लेकिन आई डिडंट गो, नहीं रेडिएशंस और नहीं, बस दैट्स ऑल. अब बॉडी में नो रेडिएशंस, नो मोर. वेरिकोस पेन्स के लिए सर आई कुडंट स्टैंड फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स. मैं खाना बनाते रो पड़ती थी कि थक गई हूँ, पैरों में दर्द. अब मैं सीढ़ियां ऊपर नीचे कर देती हूँ, जबकि चोट लगी हुई है पैरों में. आई हैड एन एक्सीडेंट लास्ट ईयर, बट स्टिल माय एनर्जी लेवल हैज गॉन फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस, एंड नॉलेज आल्सो फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस. And Jyoti, she's marvelous, sir. Your coach is, she's, we have developed a bond, sir, with Jyoti. I mean, I have a question, she has answer. She's such a wonderful person from her. And sir, आप तो ना, मैं तो चरण स्पर्श वाली बात है. Seriously, I really admire you. The knowledge you have ना sir, आपने मेरे को बहुत करना है, संभाला है. Thank you universe. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Shikha, for elaborating. Everybody please type MPTY. Now let's bring the angel coach, Jyoti Chaudhary. Okay, so how has been your journey, Jyoti, with Shikha?
You have made me emotional, actually.
Yes, I was getting emotional. Both three are very emotional.
Yeah. You came to me as a unknown friend through CFN, but today you are my dear friend. So Shikha, your journey with me has actually made me believe in myself more than ever. And thank you, Vishal, for believing in my potential and giving me this opportunity to serve people.
Well done. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shikha. Thank you so much, Coach Jyoti. Everybody please type MPTY in the chat box. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.